Welcome back to our channel, fellow explorers. Before we dive into the untold stories of Basel, we have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy delving into history, unearthing secrets, and exploring the hidden corners of the world with us, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us to continue our work and bring you more exciting content. Now let's embark on a journey to the heart of Europe, to a city that has been a silent witness to the ebbs and flows of history. A city that hides its secrets well beneath layers of time and tradition, a city known as Basel. Nestled between the Swiss Jura, Germany's Black Forest, and France's Vosges, Basel is a melting pot of traditions and influences, its streets bearing the indelible imprints of its diverse history. Stay tuned as we peel back these layers and delve into the hidden face of Basel. In the heart of Europe, nestled between the Swiss Jura, Germany's Black Forest, and France's Vosges, lies a city of untold stories, Basel. This city, a jewel in the crown of Europe, has been a cradle of culture and history for centuries. Basel, a city that sits at the crossroads of three countries, has been a melting pot of traditions and influences, each leaving its indelible imprint on its streets. With its cobbled lanes, vibrant markets, and stunning architecture, Basel is an open book waiting to be read. But this book is no ordinary tome. It's a chronicle of a city that has stood the test of time, with each chapter revealing a new layer of its rich history. From its Roman roots to the Renaissance period, from the Industrial Revolution to the present day, Basel has been a silent witness to the ebbs and flows of history. But beyond its well-known history, Basel holds secrets that remain veiled to the casual observer. Among Basel's many attractions, the Tingley Fountain stands out, but not for the reasons you might think. This isn't your typical water feature, it's a masterpiece crafted by the ingenious Swiss artist Jean Tingley. Crafted entirely from scrap metal, it's a testament to the majesty that can be born from the remnants of the past. But the Tingley Fountain is more than just a spectacle of creativity and recycling. It holds a deeper story, one that pays homage to a bygone era. The fountain stands on the very ground where Basel's old theater once proudly stood. Each spray of water, each twist of metal is a tribute to the hard-working individuals who once brought life to that theater, filling the city with art and culture. So next time you see the Tingley Fountain, remember it's not just a fountain, it's a symbol of a city that cherishes its past while embracing its future. Deep beneath the bustling streets of Basel lies a hidden world, a labyrinth of underground vaults. These subterranean chambers, dating back to the 19th century, tell a tale of Basel's less-known past. Originally designed as beer cellars, they provided the perfect environment for the brewing process, with their constant temperature and absence of daylight. However, as times changed, so did the purpose of these vaults. Today, they serve as secure homes for some of the world's most precious art collections. Shielded from the threat of natural disasters and tucked away from prying eyes, these art repositories are as fascinating as they are mysterious. Imagine walking the streets of Basel, completely oblivious to the priceless masterpieces stored beneath your feet. It's a testament to the city's rich history and love for the arts, yet another story that adds to its allure. In the heart of Basel, beneath the feet of its citizens, lies a treasure trove of art hidden away from the world. That's it for our trip through Basel's hidden gems. We've unveiled the city's cloaked countenance, unraveled the enigmatic narrative of the Tingley Fountain, and journeyed through the subterranean vaults safeguarding invaluable art collections. Each narrative underscores the city's abundant history and deep affection for the arts. As we traverse the streets of Basel, we step on layers of history and culture, a lot of it still yearning for discovery. If this expedition fascinated you, don't overlook to tap the like button. This small act supports us to connect with more explorers and share these captivating tales. And you haven't done so yet, subscribe to our channel for more exciting expeditions to the concealed nooks of the globe. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our future journeys. Thank you for accompanying us on this expedition. Until our paths cross, continue your explorations, and always remember, every city narrates a story, and every story is a treasure impatient to be unearthed.